Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cappies. Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of July 2026. Keep in mind this is general, this might or might not resonate with you, and the rules can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. This is a no contact reading, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, Cappies, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the Page of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Swords. From deep inside, this person is always feeling nervous, always feeling stressed out, always feeling the anxiety, the sleeplessness energy. They are creating stories and scenarios in their head about the situation. This situation might be already tough, but them creating stories and scenarios in their head that are not at all true is kind of hurting them very deeply, is kind of making them feel very stressed out and anxious about the situation on a deeper level. On a conscious level, this person feels like coming towards you with a fresh energy, with a happy go lucky, let's start from the start kind of energy. They are feeling left out in the cold by you because, Capricorn, you might be doing really well in your life, you might be focusing on yourself, you might be growing and glowing, and you are moving forward. It's not like this person is in hateful or revengeful or that kind of energy where they feel like you should die or something. They're not even in the blame game kind of energy right now, but this person is definitely feeling left out in the cold by you, by this whole situation, because they feel like you are moving forward, and you don't even care about their existence. You don't even care if they are okay, if they are feeling good, if they are surviving, if they are living. So they feel like coming forward towards you, talking to you, but they are feel at the same time they are feeling left out in the cold by you, because you are moving forward, you are doing your own thing, you're looking good, you are making them feel like you are not interested in them anymore, and that is stressing them a little bit. But again, them creating stories and scenarios in their head, the negative ones, is making this situation more difficult for them to deal with. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Star card, the Strength card, the High Priestess. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands. This person, from deep inside, this person wants to wear their heart on their sleeves, and they want to act out of impulse. They want to be in this energy of, let me do something about this situation without thinking about the consequences, without thinking about the outcomes. This is their deep rooted energy of intention. When it comes to the conscious level of energy or intention, this person wants to remain optimistic and positive and hopeful to the idea that at some point of time things are going to be okay, they are going to be healed, the situation is going to be okay, and they want to use all of their strength and courage to hold back, to not to say anything, to not to do anything about this situation. They just want to remain connected to their inner voice. They just want to remain connected to their intuition, where their intuition is telling them to not to act out of impulses, but to keep on healing yourself, to keep an open heart and flexible mind. And whenever this reconnection or this reconciliation is possible, it will happen, if it is possible, and whatever is applicable is going to happen next in the connection, in the bond. So, Capricorn, in India, this is like the whole India is burning because of the student protest and some and a lot of things like that. Girls are being groped, they are being assaulted, like in the sense physically assaulted, violence. People are on the streets, and I'm not able to be at peace because of that. So that's why my readings are also getting a little bit affected these days. So uh, I'm sorry if I'm not able to deliver the clear cut messages to you the way I always do, but I'm giving my best, I'm trying my best. I'm very affected by this whole thing going on in India. It's like My conscience is not letting me sleep. I'm not able to eat properly. I'm not able to sleep properly. It's been like 6 days I haven't eaten properly. I'm eating, but not properly. I'm not sleeping properly. So it's affecting my day to day life also, and it's affecting my work also. But if you're also going through the same, it's not about Capricorn only. To all the people who are going through the same feelings and energies, try to stay calm and try to stay with yourself as much as you can. I was not able to be physically present in the protest because of my own health issues first, and second, my parents that don't feel good about it. They just feel I don't want to hurt them at this age. They are old. um, but I'm trying my best to give my best to you guys. Okay, so just be with me. What should I say? Okay, so from deep inside, this person wants to do something without thinking about the consequences. On a conscious level, this person wants to remain optimistic, positive, and hopeful that things are going to be okay whenever they are supposed to be okay, and whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually. So they want to use their courage and strength to not to do anything about the situation. They want to stay in touch with their intuition that is telling them not to operate from impulses. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, Capricorn, if any, by the end of this month, July 2026. We have the Seven of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Cups. Okay, I don't care if you're going to hate me or love me, but you might get disappointed a little bit more than what you are right now regarding the situation, because with time a truth is going to come out regarding some kind of manipulation, cheating, lying, stealing, something that happened. Somebody's somebody's cheating is going to come out. I don't think so this person is going to talk to you like in a proper way, like proper communication. They might end up telling you about their cheating, that what they did behind your back at some point of time. They might end up telling you that, clearing the air with you regarding that. If you are the one who did something behind their back at some point of time, they will get to know about it and they will try to confront you for that. And if this is not applicable, no cheating, no lying, no deception was involved in the situation, then this is not your reading today, especially the action part. So this might disappoint you a little bit more, but something is going to come out, and that is going to be like everything crystal clear right in front of you on the table, but it is going to at the same time set you free. Even if it is going to hurt you or bother you, it's going to set you free for the next chapter of your life. It might not be a very good start, a very positive start, but this is important for you guys to move forward, right? Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cappies, for this situation for this month, for the rest of this month, Cappies. We have the Two of Swords, the Hanged Man, the Death card. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. From your side, if you feel like you should talk to this person, you should have a like a heart to heart communication with them, open and honest communication with them. But because of your ego or anger, you are not doing that. Just do that. It will set you only free. If by any chance, if you're planning to do this and they are not okay with that, they are not opening up to the idea of communication, then that's not your problem. Give your best, try your best, and then move on. Okay, don't stop yourself out of anger or out of ego only, because this is a chapter of your life. This is very important. Okay, that is a deeper level message for you on a conscious level. The guidance for you guys is don't keep yourself stuck on the situation. You guys have to get the clarity, get the answers within yourself. You know everything already, Capricorn. You just want to hear it from the other person here, or you just want to tell the other person here. You already know the truth and the reality of the situation. So keeping yourself stuck on something or someone that you cannot change or do anything about, it's not a good idea. Stick to the truth and the reality of the situation. Start moving forward. Don't keep yourself stuck because you feel like somebody should come forward and they should do something about the situation. What if they are never going to do what you want them to do? What if you're never going to get the results as per your expectations? Are you going to keep yourself stuck here forever? Think about it. Okay, communicate properly from your side. If you really feel that, drop your ego, drop your anger. If you are feeling like that, do that. If the other person is not participating, then that's not your issue, that's their issue. Okay, first thing. Second thing, don't keep yourself stuck on something that might or might never get the get cleared the way you want it to be clear or honest. Okay, let it go, honey. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cappies. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is not the right time. Not the right time is sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. Okay. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Capricorn. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.